It's only a matter of time before the virus spreads in the U.S., and with one case already testing positive in Brazil, it's now on a whole new continent. Over the last 48 hours, the outbreak has accelerated rapidly, moving into 8 new countries. It has now been detected in Germany, Switzerland, Croatia, Iraq, Spain, Algeria, Austria, Brazil, Italy, Australia, Malaysia, France, Vietnam, Canada, Kuwait, Macau, Taiwan, Thailand, Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, USA, Egypt, Finland, Belgium, Lebanon, Sri Lanka, Israel, Cambodia, Nepal, Oman, Afghanistan, Philippines, and China. Such a vast global spread would be impossible if it were really contained, as the WHO falsely claims. This is so far beyond containment that the question of it going global is already answered. Yeah, it's global, and no, it won't be contained. President Trump and Rush Limbaugh are trying to tell everybody that it's no big deal and that the WHO has it under control. Both President Trump and Rush Limbaugh are working overtime to downplay the severity of the pandemic. Rush says it's no worse than the flu, while President Trump has scheduled a press conference this evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Time to tell America that there's no reason to panic and that everybody should continue to buy overpriced stocks. Further complicating an already complicated issue is the fact that the CDC's Dr. Nancy Messonnier is reportedly the sister of Rod Rosenstein, part of the anti-Trump conspiracy coup group that tried to overturn the 2016 election and remove the president from office. At this point, there are so many conflicting stories, theories, and narratives that it's nauseating to try to navigate the truth. So let's keep it simple. What's undeniable is that the virus is spreading globally at a breathtaking pace. It's also undeniable that the CDC has prohibited nearly all virus testing by U.S. states and local hospitals, meaning that there's virtually no testing taking place anywhere in the U.S. The CDC is setting a trap for President Trump by getting him to address the nation and tell everyone that it's all under control. Once the testing actually resumes in the United States, we'll see hundreds, if not thousands, of cases erupting overnight, and then the media will pounce on the president and blame him for incompetence and a lack of action to stop the epidemic. The Democrats can't wait to blame the president for people dropping like flies in the streets. And San Francisco, by the way, declared a state of emergency recently, even though they say that they have no confirmed cases in the city. Dr. Messonnier, once again, seems to be telling the truth, for the moment, when she says that the outbreak is coming to the U.S. That part seems inevitable. We already have confirmation from a Homeland Security source that there are over 1,000 confirmed cases in the United States, and that number is over a week old. Given the roughly 3.5-day doubling period when left uncontained, that means we may already have 4,000 cases in the U.S., and President Trump is about to tell the American people that everything's under control. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. For Headlines with a Voice, this is Nancy Morgan Hart.